Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a credit card for online shopping security, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your credit card for online shopping security, start by locating your new credit card. Look for any activation instructions included with the card. Visit the website of your credit card issuer. Alternatively, you can call the customer service number provided on the card. If using the website, find the Activate Card option. Click on it to navigate to the activation page. Enter the required information, usually including your card. If calling, follow the automated prompts to reach the activation department. Have your card ready for reference during the call. Once you are on the activation page or speaking with a representative, confirm your identity as requested. After verification, you will receive a confirmation that your card is activated. Next, log into your online banking account. Navigate to the security settings or online shopping preferences. Look for options related to online transaction security. Consider setting up two-factor authentication if available. This adds an extra layer of protection for your online purchases. Also, check if your card issuer offers virtual card numbers. These can be used for online shopping without exposing your real card number. Once your card is activated, you are ready to shop online securely. Always ensure the website is secure, indicated by https:// in the URL before making any purchases. Keep your card information private and monitor your account regularly for any unauthorized transactions. Following these steps will help you activate your credit card and enhance your online shopping security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.